All right, YouTube, welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. I am your host, resident day trader, and your brother in the struggle. The name is Hassan, and we're live. It is Monday, May 20th, and the market's kind of quiet this morning. There's some Fed talks that are going to be going on. Actually, some should have started already at 9, and then I think there's something else at 10. Nvidia is doing earnings this week, I believe on Wednesday. So that should be a pretty big deal for the entire market. But as for me, I'm just here to be patient and keep my eyes open and just trade my system. I've had a lot of inconsistency with just trading my system, and it's made me my inability to trade my system spot on has made me feel like there's a problem with my system, and so I've been changing time frames, and that's been really throwing me off because my whole system is based on the time frame I'm used to trading, which is the 2. So um, I just want to really give my rules a shot. I'm still going to be. Um, I've reduced my risk from 25 to 5 per trade, just because it was getting out of control, man. And the focus right now isn't to make a bunch of money. The focus is to trade well and find consistency, and risk is earned. So if I prove to myself that I'm able to do what I'm trying to do consistently, then go back up to $25 risk. Until then, I'm just gonna keep plugging away at the discipline and the rules, and keep progressing forward. Really, nothing like stood out at all in pre-market today. The usuals. Nvidia's doing decent volume. Tesla's actually, hey, what's up, Pond? Tesla's actually a little lighter on volume than it usually is. I really don't like trading Tesla or Apple though. I don't think I'm gonna really play with those too much. Um, Coin has been, what's up, Three Pony? Coin is another one that's kind of wonky to me, and it's really on a downtrend. So ain't no point looking at that anyway. Um, I think Boeing looks very interesting. Benjamin D. Good morning. Ben's twin brother. um, you guys excited about anything this morning? It's been pretty slow. I'm just really curious to see what the SPY is gonna do. Um, it's sitting in a nice spot. It's consolidating at pretty much all-time highs for the last week. So, be interesting to see if SPY chooses a direction, or we're just gonna kind of chop around. Let's see here. BLNK. Yeah, it is looking choppy, Pond. Blink moving to 6, eh? Whoa. That's a big move for Blink. Not to say that it can't do it. They can gap up in one day and make it happen. Hey, original Ben. What's up, Ben? We got about a minute left till the open. Got the scanner ready. MU got an upgrade, but it was kind of silly. I think it was upgraded to like 130, which is pretty much already there. But seemed to have a little bit of attention this morning, and wasn't really too much going on, so figured I'd watch that. Gold is actually kind of interesting again. The gold ETF. I don't know. Over 223. Here we go again. All right, market is open. Wow. That's crazy. So I reset the scanner, and as you can see, that is going crazy. Had to mute that. Boeing with a very strong open. Let's go over here. I know, right? That was ridiculous. Yeah, I basically took all my filters off and reset the scanner to default settings, and I don't know what that's about. Right. That's ridiculous. It's the whole stock market. All right, Nvidia, man, Boeing is looking incredible. Actually, kind of too big of a move off the open. I like the little narrow moves. Why am I struggling? My rules, basically. I just have a hard time sticking to my rules. I think the biggest thing is that when I don't see good things to trade, I get restless and start trading. Start trading things that aren't part of my playbook, aren't part of my plan. Yeah. What a ridiculous opening candle, though. 184.65 to 186.21.
I guess that's the 2-minute though. It looks bullish. I'd be a little weary of this topping tail right here. You haven't hit anything yet, Ben? What you watching, Olu? Amazon's looking like a clean mover up. Google. Yeah, I don't know, man. Google's been it's a lot of green days in a row on Google. Sheesh. Yeah, I don't like when Google does this. Oh, you in there? Excuse me.
TSM. OSG.
Okay, that one's not going to work out, so I had to delete that one. JCI. MU coming down, but it's kind of heavy.
OSG. LI. GTBP. GTBP. RCL.
Stop loss 178. What you mean, Olu? You mean 176?
GTBP. KOS. HIMS.
Oh. I got you.
HIMS.
AMD looks kind of interesting here. Kind of high up though. Trying AMD here. MU looks just as good, honestly. I think MU was actually the better one. MU was nice. Man, look at MU. Incredible. Yeah. Sheesh, there goes Microsoft. Almost want to bail on AMD because it didn't go right off. ICL. Oh man. Yeah, that's too thin for me for sure. You'd have to be trading this thing on the weekly or something. Come on, AMD, there you go. Okay, new high day on AMD. Looking good. Yes, sir. Got yesterday's high at 169.72. Ran into some selling right there. SPY's pushing up though. Might have some help here. Moment of truth right here. Pretty big volume came in when it broke that high a day. Back down to 167. Dun, dun, dun. Well, there goes AMD. I did feel like this big old move up needed a little more time to chill, but not a terrible one to try. MU was clearly the one. It just had a much better retracement. Definitely could have bailed out after this top and tail here though. It's just not really my way. Um, I kind of like Amazon, but it's still pretty high up. It's still pretty high up, and it's just chilling at VWAP. I would think it needs to consolidate a little longer or pull back deeper. Yeah, back to the two, man. I'm still keeping an eye on the five, but wow, yeah, that don't look bad at all. Yeah, Apple doesn't look bad. Man, look at the SPY. That's the SPY right there. BA's back over VWAP. Got a lot of work to do for my kind of setup, though. Yeah. Oh man, Joe Dub. Sorry to hear that. A respectable small cap. Asking for a lot, man. Right. Oh man, it was an accident. Dang. I kind of think Cav is interesting. My condolences. Yeah, I was looking at CCL. Yeah. Looks pretty good, actually. I don't know how much you can actually expect out of this thing, though. But yeah, I think, man, it's already moved a lot, though. I mean, it could go to 16, but me and you both, Joe. Yeah, I like the way CCL's setting up here, but I just don't know how much I would expect it to keep going up. I think 16 is probably reasonable on it. Yeah, that's what I was on, CCL, right? Oh, that's what you meant earlier. That's funny because I saw CCL for some reason. Yeah. I don't think it looks bad. I don't think it looks bad. It definitely looks higher. Not much resistance up top. It's not like this is some strong selling. This is a pretty nice pullback. Yeah, I think there's some Fed talks this morning, so you know how that goes. I was watching gold. Man, I kind of like MU right here. That looks pretty good. $9.30. The R is the amount that I'm willing to risk on each trade, which I try to keep constant. So right now I'm risking $5 per trade. So 3R is I'm in MU right now, gear spot. 3R is generally my goal. Taking half off at 2R just to get some momentum. Came to 21. Thanks, Olu. I think 130 probably would have been a great first take profit instead of 130.24, but yeah, 130.13 was previous high. I think 131 is a pretty nice move out of MU today, but I don't like this big volume candle that just came through. VWAP rule is gone. Nah, it's not gone. Can the SPY halt? That's a good question. I think so. It ain't halting today. That would be a crazy move down. Yeah, I thought so too, Olu. See if it's gonna play nice right now. Man, I've been liking Boeing all morning, but it just hasn't really traded nicely at all. Boeing back over the opening range. AMD looks interesting where it's at. It's had a nice spot to bounce. Not quite my play, but hey, what's up, Brick? Man, there goes Boeing. Brick is in the building. All right, there's 2R. I'm moving my stop up to break even on this one. And I'm going to let that joint ride up to 3R. Because that was a pretty nice consolidation. And it looks really good. So 3R is 74. We're at 39. I think we're looking pretty good, man. Think we're looking pretty good. I like Nvidia a lot right there, actually. Would have liked a more narrow range entry. Google looks really good. Oh, Lou, you still in Google? They move pretty much the same, right? Yep. What makes you choose one over the other? Dang, man. Yeah, I don't know. I was definitely expecting more out of AMD today. It is not delivering. Oh, okay. I see. Let's go MU. Yeah, I think we take that high, man. We're going to be good to go. Assuming we don't get slapped back down again. High was 39. There's 38. There's 40. 41. Ah, nice. I know, super close. What is ATH? Oh, I didn't even look back here. 54. There we go. Come on, baby. Oh, let's go. Nice 3R banger right there on MU. There we go. That was a nice trade. That was a really nice trade. Nvidia, man. I really like this move on Nvidia right here. It's top intel though. But man. Yeah, I'm not gonna take the I know, right, Pond? Jeez. So long without a green trade. We made it. Man, I really like Nvidia right here off of this bounce. This little guy's the only one got me kind of upset. And then this is a lot of yeah, that's not a cool candle right there. Nah, man, Boeing. Oh my God. If there was only a way in on Boeing. Boeing has left the building. I know, right, 3 Pony? I really wanted to get MU right here. This was the best setup for it. But I missed that. And it went really well, really strong, made a higher high. And this is the second highest volume of the day. So I was comfortable considering this as support as well. And it started consolidating and then a nice dip down past that through this high. Looks like a very nice setup. Man, Nvidia's looking quite curious. I really want to take this Nvidia trade right here. But I'm not. Maybe if we get a higher high over this guy right here. But yeah, that's a no-go right there. Not falling for that. Man, what else we got going on? TSM's having a moment. Microsoft went way up there without me. Man. I sure want. What's up, Signature? Yeah, I really did like this, man. It's nice on the 5 too. Just don't like this top intel up here. Let's see what happens. Maybe it'll throw a higher low before it goes off. What you trading this morning, Signature? I just got a nice 3R trade on MU. About top tick that bad boy for the moment. This looks like it's gonna keep moving higher though. Man, yeah, that candle went up to 76. I got out at 74. Looks like 31 is in effect. ARM. Man, ARM looks super bearish to me, bro. Yeah. I don't know, man. I'm seeing all these topping tails right here. It's making me nervous. I did really like it right here though. Like, if this guy was a little smaller and this guy wasn't there, I would be all over Nvidia right now. Oh man. Well, you got profit though, bro. Speaker at 9:30. What time zone are you referring to there, sir? Oh, we both talking Central? Yeah, that is my time zone. So 15 minutes, we got a speaker. See, look at that Nvidia. Look at that. I would have stopped out. I would have stopped out on Nvidia. Maybe I would have put my stop below VWAP, like right here, but Central Standard. Yeah, I got you. Look at that. I am happy I stayed out of there. Yeah. Where's my EpiPen? Yep. See, I had this red flag right here. And this one right here. That was like, bro, don't you get in there. I would have got in here. Put my stop right there. And here I would have been sad. Now it might be ready though. Now I need a higher high over this guy and hopefully a higher low. Yeah, I was watching Microsoft, man. It's pretty, it's trading nicely. Little 5-minute candle right there. It's just kind of way up there. Yeah. Sometimes I wish I would just jump in on these things on the daily. On a daily trigger. Yeah, I really got to find a way into these kind of movers right here. Because they just don't pull back sometimes. And you just can't get in there. It had a really nice narrow range 1 minute opener though on that volume. Got to do some back testing on that. Look at the SPY, man. We need to be in something long. What does CCL end up doing? Not much. Not much. Don't you get FOMO? I'm feeling pretty chill right now, actually, Pond. I want to trade Nvidia, but I'm very particular about the trade I'm willing to take on it. Like, I wanted to make a higher high over this guy right here. But then I needed to not go too far and come back down around this area and give me a higher low. So I'm chilling for now. Feeling pretty composed and reserved. Got 10 minutes till the Fed talk. SPY is up nice and high. Preparing for a big fat drop when the Fed starts talking. Know how they do. Yup. That's the plan, Pond. Yeah, AMD was a little aggressive. This was still pretty up there, pretty high. Like MU came in. It had a nice strong trade up, but it came right back in where I like it for where I like for it to come. Where I like it to come back to. This was just like really the ideal spot, man. I just barely missed that trade. I missed this trade trading AMD, which sucks. But I caught it on its way up. Quack, quack, roulette wheel. Yeah, I think the only thing I really got my eye on is NVIDIA. Google has been one where it's like if you don't get in right off the bat, it's gone. Kava. I wanted Kava earlier. CG looks crazy. Gold is doing nothing. Alright, thanks, Ben. Man, a no trade day is such a win to me. Like when you came to your computer and you came and sat down to trade, but you didn't find anything that you wanted to trade that you felt was worthy of the trade, and then you just got up and left. That's a win. All right, I'm really thinking about Microsoft now. I think this is a good spot for Microsoft, man. Put the stop under there. 424.36, 425.02. $0.60. Seven shares. $424.34. $2.10. Yeah, it sure is, Garage. It definitely is, man. Cool. What's up, Ghost? Things are going pretty well so far. Had one loss on AMD, 1R loss on AMD. Hey, what's up, HH? 3R win on MU, and now I'm in Microsoft. We'll see how it goes, man. I think over 33 would be a nice Yeah, signature. Crazy. Crazy. Man, what you got going on, Ghost? I'm gonna have to check you out, Garage, because if Pond speaks well of you, I gotta go with the duck, man. Ooh, back below 425, eh? Alright, yeah, Spy's pulling back. Dun, dun, dun. Back over 425, though. You trade stocks, garage day trader? Oh, he's a short sniper. Internet issue. Okay. Man, you know my platform was freezing up really bad. I think my file just got corrupted because I loaded up a backup, and it was fine. So I just had to move to a different save file. I remember that happening to me before too. Mostly short, huge moves. I understand it, man. PLC. Huh. You shorted what, 15? Wow. 15 back to VWAP is a nice move. Over $1. Come on, Microsoft. Let's get a higher high. Oh, we double topped it. Uh-oh. Okay, now Nvidia's looking a lot better now. This would be, I'm feeling scary, but this is be where I would want to get in at over this candle. Stop under that candle. Mostly because we're 2 minutes till that speaker starts talking. It did pretty much give me exactly what I wanted to see, though. 48.32. I think Microsoft's going down also. Man, I had to come back home. Alright, giving NVIDIA a try. This will likely be my last one. 946.23. This looks like it's gonna be over quick. Man, you sure right. You sure right. Quack, quack. Yeah, that was highly requested. By one person. But we all enjoy some good memes. Definitely jumped in some consolidations right here. Was that Olu telling me to give this thing a wide stop if I got in? I did not do that. Probably should have went with this candle. And what to call this guy. I know who it is, but let's see. So Nvidia was basically playing VWAP, looking for a higher high, higher low on it. I do prefer to take the entry down here near the opening range. So I mean, this is kind of a setup that's extended from the support level I'm usually looking for. So yeah, that's something I could dock myself for. But we shall see. Man, it's really winding up tight. This when you start watching your level 2 and your time and sales all super tough. Yeah, I totally got into these 2 consolidations. I did wait for higher highs and higher lows on both of these, and they are close to VWAP, not at VWAP. Yeah, it's definitely getting slower. What's it gonna be, Nvidia? It looks higher to me on the level 2 in the time and sales. Or just a big tug of war. I'm seeing higher and higher prints on the oddball prints, the yellow prints. There we go. That ain't looking good. This spread is nasty. Nah, it's really that fast. Get a ton of orders coming in every second on time and sales. There we go. Come on, NVIDIA. Whew. Oh, is that the fake out before the stop out? Looks like it. Yo, it's getting down there. Bye, humbug. Alright, it's all on you, Microsoft. Alright, there we go. Now we finally got a higher high on Microsoft. Like to see that. Yeah, this thing got crazy choppy. Man, stop me out while the market was going up. I guess I should have realized this thing didn't really correlate with what the SPY was doing. It's all good. Well, I'm out on NVIDIA, but I'm definitely looking to go up to, look like 67. But I really like to get 2R before I start moving my stop. But I think this is definitely a fair 69, 71, 74. Yeah, I sold on MU. I got in MU at 129.24 and sold at 130.74. Lower high and lower low is LL and LH. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. MU was nice. MU was nice. Watch NVIDIA go now after stopping me out. I'm telling you it's about to go. I'm good, though. $64. Yeah, MU was nice. Yeah, I need to be done with Nvidia. I don't like how it's trading at all. Very choppy. All right, hopefully Microsoft will hold itself right here. Although we're running up to a lot of resistance up here. 426.82. What do we get to here? Uh, hmm. $214. Yeah, I could see that 3 pointy, but yeah, that's a good idea too. HH to really see how long it's gonna chop, but I usually equate it to the type of move up it makes. You know, yeah, for sure. I should have given it a wider stop if I was gonna buy into that, but I thought that when we made this little higher high here that was gonna kind of lead to a move up. But I definitely could have put my stop under this guy right here instead of getting in with such a tight loss, tight stop loss. Microsoft testing back to 425. What am I doing with my stop this close? Yeah. Just keep it right under my entry candle, which was 64. This time, this is market time. If you're talking about this is Eastern market time. Ooh, it's kind of what I was waiting on for gold. Nah, this volume is trash. It looks choppy. Gotta see where this Microsoft trade is gonna go. I think that's enough for today. What time do I sit down to trade? I get to my office at like 8:15, 8:30 market time. I try to get here at least an hour before they open. Yeah, I try to get here at least an hour before open to take my time with pre-market. Try to find some good stuff. Come on, Microsoft. What's it gonna be? We're going up from here. We're going down. I think this is a pretty deciding candle right here on Microsoft. Ooh, yeah, that's bad. That's a bad one. Yeah, I think we're done on Microsoft. Mm-hmm. Okay. There goes Nvidia. Nah, that was a good stop for sure, based on my entry. Or wait, let's see. I had my stop at 24. Here comes AMD. Nice bounce. Look at the 15 on it. Yeah, I pretty much gave back my 3R. Well, I had 2R. Gave those back. Hmm. Yeah, I think typically on this type of moment, I would rather have -1R than break even. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, my window's definitely closing here. Yeah. The video's looking a lot better right here. Is it? Hmm. Man, I sure like AMD right here. uh, I sure like AMD right here over 166.12. Right at the top of the opening range. Bruh, I think that's a great trade right here.
No. All right. I'm not gonna do it, but I'm gonna paper trade it. Okay. Technically, it's already triggered. Stop is 165.87. It is below VWAP too. I'm not gonna do it. But I'm saying. What was that? 13 by 165.87. 171.36. Yeah, I hear you, HH. I'm not doing it. It's 11 o'clock. I'm done for the day. But I sure like this trade right here. I think it sees 168, man. Maybe not. What was that? 87 stop. Haven't hit it yet. Paper trade already triggered at this candle. That's pretty funny there. Dun, 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 dun. All right, man. This is my paper trade right here. I didn't take it, but we triggered at 166.13 by by 87. It's 26 cents. $78. So $3R is 166.91. So we just trying to get right there. It's looking shady that we stuck below VWAP though. Yeah, the 15 do look like a short setup. Does look like a short setup. And the 5 too, this nice long pullback and this short term move up. It could definitely make another long leg down. Bob the Pond Killer. This gotta be What's up, Bob? That's hilarious. Well, Nvidia sure fell off. Kind of expecting the same from AMD now. Running from my life. Should I ban them? I think I should ban the Pond Killer on GP. Bob the Pond Killer. All right, that was a fun paper trade. Stopped out. Glad I didn't take it. Good job, team. Talking me off the edge. Right. You won that one, HH. You won that one. He's You better know how to fly. All right, so hindsight, Microsoft and Nvidia were way far away from this entry I like to take, from the support I like to take. Thought Nvidia was interesting at this level, though. I think this is a either previous day's high volume or this was the top of that. So it was a pretty solid resistance level that I thought if it held, it could keep moving up. But all in all, there are better entries. MU and AMD were better entries, but even this is pretty extended from the support level I like. Yep. Now we know who it is. You've exposed yourself. Bob the Pond Killer. Anybody else getting anything? Or what's the word on the Fed talk? Any updates on that? GTBP. Whoa. Wow, I sure didn't. Sure didn't. Nice. This is Pond from Tron Trading, and I'm currently on the run. Nothing burger. MU ready for another bounce? According to CNN, it seems like, yeah, the Iranian president died in a helicopter crash. GTVP. Yeah, man, that thing is halted up. Halt down. Really? Oh, what you talking about? Oh, you're bearish on it. Just broke over pre-market highs. Bearish on it, why? Just because it's a penny stock and it's up real high? Scary stuff. All right, now AMD's looking bullish. For real, for real. AMD's looking bullish now. Catalyst is weaker than water. No, I'm not interested in short selling. I think it's a very lucrative way to play the market, but long for me. Man, if this thing holds 166. Actually, probably want to wait for a higher high, higher low to hold VWAP. I just like this level. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. All right, one more. That's funny. GTBP. Yep. Easy read, huh? So you got a position? ATR Smackdown. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. I forgot you don't trade Mondays. Yeah, the market look like it's gonna cool off for a little while. They eating GTBP right back up. I'm still feeling pretty bullish on AMD. Not yet though, because we still got a lower high right here. Yeah, so that last trade wasn't a good one anyway. Well, I guess I'm looking at the break back above this level. But really we need back above 166.54. This will be a nice entry right here though. Off of this, retesting this same level right in here. Same level that was tested on this candle. Yeah, buddy. That's it right there, man. 166.10 by 75. Unlimited risk to the market. I don't know. To me, if I was a short selling day trader, I would still have my stop loss in. So I don't really think I would expose myself to unlimited risk. That's like for the YOLO crowd who's just gonna buy and refuse to sell. There goes AMD. Yeah, that first trigger was definitely would have been too impatient considering this big move up. But now that it's this kind of cool off leg right here, that's pretty good. Now I think she's ready. That's why you got to use a market stop. Yeah. All right, let's see. AMD over 54. Now, this is a nice base right here for AMD. This is a real nice base. So if it can break up over this high and then make a higher low, that's a high probability. What was that other one we were looking at? GTLB? GTBP. Yeah, man. I don't know. The math ain't mathing. They holding this thing up pretty good. Now it is. Oh, dang. Wow. D. Yep, you called it, bro. You called it. Look at AMD though. Yeah, you right. I sure don't know nothing about small caps. All right, there's the high on AMD. Before CMEG, I was using Webull. I was on a cash account trading half of my my buying power every day. And it was so frustrating because after like 2 or 3 trades, you were done. You didn't have anything left. And I was trying to make money. And so I wasn't like taking super small shares. I was pretty much, I think I was risking 25 a trade or 25 or 50. But yeah, I would get pretty much 2 or 3 trades a day, which really is all you need. But back then, I mean, even now I still take a lot of trades, but yeah, I really got to stretch my legs out once I got to No, I would never go back to trading that way when I have this broker. The other than paying for my platform, this broker is super cheap, and I have the leverage to trade whatever I want to trade. So, yeah, no, that ain't for me. But I think for just, somebody with a decent size cash account and they're just trying to learn, I think it'd be fine. You just gotta keep your just trade small. I mean, you could really trade one share to figure things out. Maybe not. You wouldn't have a very good take profit. I don't know. It'd be weird with one trade because how do you actually control your risk? It wouldn't be constant at all. But yeah, I mean, T1 especially, that makes it a lot easier because you can trade your whole account every day. So yeah, man, I think that's super cool that they're doing that. Especially for starting out, man, because starting out, paying for a platform and paying for commissions, that's a lot. Most people come into trading, or I won't say most people, but a lot of people are coming into trading, looking for a way out, which is kind of sad because it's going to take a long time. Yeah, for sure. It takes a lot of patience, though. But you got to have Ben level patience, man. Ben could definitely chill on a small account and just steady grow that mug. He's got the mindset for sure. Yeah, I think that's why most people start out in small caps too, because they're cheap. And they're cheap and they're volatile. Them things move. Yeah, you can always assume that. They're not doing it just to show love to the people. They're definitely doing it to make more money for themselves. Yeah. Right. Oh yeah. Man, AMD looking real saucy right now. Spy running up, testing high a day again. Hmm. But is a spy getting ready to run into resistance and trade back down, and this is a terrible place to go long, or is it the spy getting ready to break out? MU going for another one. Get that big volume candle right there. It's a nice one. Webull level 2. I don't have a problem with Webull's level 2. I mean, your fills are not going to be lightning fast, but they're cool. You'll have a little bit of slippage in there probably. But, yeah, I mean, Webull gets their data from NASDAQ and NYC like everybody else. Oh yeah, that was a nice move up. It did. Pond. Um, Nvidia and Microsoft back above VWAP here. Um, GTBP. Pull that up one more again. Huh. Take a quick restroom break, y'all. I'll be right back. Hi, what's up, y'all? Um, hmm. Elden Ring, you say? Right, he's really exposing himself now. um, AMD. I realize. I think the 2 minute after the move has been made, it's like time to flip to a higher time frame. I might even need to move. When did I take these Microsoft and Nvidia trades? 10, 20, 10, 28. Hmm. Yeah, MU was really the best thing going for me this morning. Shouldn't have really traded anything else. I see where I was going with AMD, but this big move up here, rarely would it have enough momentum to just pull back this lightly and then keep running. It would have to have a super huge catalyst for that. This is pretty much the move being made. And it's either going to consolidate or pull way back. And this thing pulled back way back. Now it's moving up, though. I really did like this move right here. Kind of a double bottom there. I like the pullback to VWAP and the high volume support. That volume that comes in on the opening range. And it's just a clean pullback. I really wanted to take it here, but I like price to build on itself. And so this high volume move up here, I put a line up there, and it made a higher high, and the higher low pulled back to that previous high. And that's a really good sign of a solid uptrend and that it'll keep trending up. So this was more so confirmation of this move, or well, this move was confirmation of that, and then just seeing it pull back to the previous high, it looked great. AMD, it's a big move up, and the pullback is not very much. I mean, it's kind of deep with this one candle, which, I mean, it was, when I narrowed the candles down a little bit, it didn't look so bad. But yeah, I don't know. I guess it's not really that much untakeable compared to the other one. It was a really wide range candle though. $1. But these were trades after the move's already been made, and it pulls back, and it's like, I don't know. You're expecting in the beginning, in the move off the open, it's all momentum. But then after it pulls back afterwards, I mean, it could go back up. But usually when it's made this much of a move, there's not really a reason to assume that it'll go back up again. That the momentum would still be there, especially without a catalyst, right? Yeah, so really the move had just been made already. Huh. Yeah, and it got a price target increase this morning too. Yeah, honestly, MU was the only one that actually had a reason other than the charts to go up on my watch list. None of these other ones really had catalyst. These were just daily charts that I found interesting and thought that they would have a good chance of a move up today, which they did. Just wasn't a setup that I could take. Yeah, which is a shame to not have been watching that closer than I was watching AMD, because I could have caught MU a lot sooner. But I mean, hey, I got my 3R, so that's all I would have been looking to get. 3R, stopped to break even at 2R. Did pretty good on that one. Yeah. I definitely regret my Microsoft and Nvidia trades. They were after the move trades, just kind of hunting to get into something. And as soon as I see the first sign of a higher high, higher low, not really making a big deal about what price level it was at or anything like that, just purely trading candlesticks. Yeah, the fewer I definitely like the idea of fewer options for sure. The better I get at my pre-market analysis, I think will lead to stocks I can focus more on and have more confidence in. MU was definitely the one. I'm glad I didn't miss MU. I would have been really sad to have missed this nice trading stock. Gave you 2 chances to get on. Google gave nothing. For me anyway. I know Olu banked on it. I didn't see anything. Yeah, maybe you could have been risky and got here on the one. So you're not even looking at any other stocks. You just literally find that one and then you just look at that one. What's up, Benjamin? You gotta slow down there, Bob. hmm. So what kind of triggers do you enter in on HH? No worries, Richard. What's going on, man? She think about MU for another run up to 131. Risque. I think it's risque. It's AMD. Very. You a swing trader, Benjamin? Yeah, I see. I need to move this SPY chart, man. Why do I not ever see that? Let me see here. I need to keep that overlay on there. The Webull doesn't have platform fees. They have subscription fees if you want level 2 data. I can't remember how much they are, but Webull. Yeah, it's only $3 a month. Level 2 NASDAQ total view, best 50 bids and offers, $2.99 a month. So, very cheap. Huh. What time frame, HH? Yeah, I don't. Benjamin, very. I don't know. It just looks like a very bearish stock to me. I don't see. Huh. I guess I can see the appeal if I look at it on the weekly, but I see nothing but selling pressure coming in. But, you know, I don't really do these small caps, so I don't know what you guys see that makes you feel like it's getting ready to... You got a double bottom on the hourly at 297. That's about the only positive thing I can see if we're talking about going long. Double bottom at 297. Nice hammer candle right there. But Veritone. Yeah, I think you'd have to be Thanks, HH. All right, Pond. Yeah, I'm done too, man. I'm just hanging out. Appreciate you, though. Yeah, I definitely put up the recap. I think today was a good day, man. Today was a good day. A little over trading here on Microsoft and NVIDIA. Probably a little bit of boredom / profit chasing. But AMD wasn't terrible, but could have done better. And MU is great. Yeah, if this thing doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad. It just ran off a bit too much. This second candle was a bit much. Thanks, Pond. Yeah, I don't see. I don't know. I'd want to hear what the story was, what the motivation behind Very was. Like, they doing some fundamental stuff behind the background. You got some news expected to be released or something. Yeah. GTBP. Wow. Bruh, $10? Yeah, Webull is an awesome beginner platform. I swear by it. I loved Webull when I was trading. The charting on Webull is so nice. Like, I don't know of a free platform that has the desktop and mobile charting that's as good as Webull. Maybe TOS. I don't know. I haven't really messed with TOS that much, but Webull's charting is phenomenal. Is it offshore? I don't know. It's not going to treat it offshore in the sense that you're going to get around PDT. It's I think you just got to see if it's available in your country or not. But yeah, the charting on Webull, I still use Webull when I'm away from my desk. That's what I look at. Look at charts. TradingView's nice, but they got a lot of. They're trying to get you to buy stuff, so you can only go back so far. You can't look at the 2-minute. Yeah, I've heard a lot of great things about TOS. Yeah, for the free though. For the free. $3 for data. Can't beat it. What's up, Richard? What you hype about? Whoa, nice. Richard getting to the money. NKGN. Wow. 50% winner. Man. That's what's up, bro. Profit already taken? You had your order sitting in there? I said, boom. Nice. So did you sell though? Tell me it's in the bank. What's that sale number? What price did you take profit? Or are you still holding for top of a range? Nice. That's what's up. um, darn it. What made you take this one, Richard? I am quite curious. time is it? All right, Bob. Salam. I forgot to ask you guys to hit the like button for me today. Already 11 likes too, man. You guys are pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. 12 likes.
I forgot to ask you guys to hit the
The monthly. All right, let me check you out. Man. That was 110. All you need is a little bounce. Yeah, I like it more on the weekly for sure. NIO. Man, I can't believe NIO is this cheap. I used to trade NIO when it was like, I feel like it was around $20. Yeah. NIO was happening back in the day. Yeah, the weekly, I could definitely see it on the weekly. NIO. It's at an interesting spot, but I don't know that I would. I mean, it's still technically downtrending. So, downtrending on the monthly for sure. The weekly. Yeah, I mean, I don't see anything but a downtrend here right now, bro. But, you know, maybe you got a little breakout there, possibly. $20 to 100% got that 50. Yeah, bro, that's nice, man. Hey, that's a beautiful thing, Richard. When you plan it out and it does exactly what you needed it to do. Beautiful thing, man. Congratulations, bro. don't know, man. Yeah, I would need to have some other information on this thing to make me. It could be short term bullish, but I mean, this is a lower high. This is a lower low. There's definitely nothing to truly suggest that it's like this would be like taking the smallest position. If you had a good reason to take it, you would just take a nibble, like, and then you would wait for confirmation and start adding. Assuming this would be like a swing trade. Definitely, I don't see anything on a short term. If they have some, some fundamentals that look like they might have some good stuff coming up, maybe. But yeah, it's below all the moving averages. Just made a lower low. This is a lower high. Yeah, I don't see nothing. Right. Right. To have this kind of fall from grace, man. Like, wow, they're up there almost $70 and down to $5. Yeah. BLNK. Man. Support. Hey. All right, Richard. Richard feeling good. I am not seeing what you're seeing there on Blink is your type of trade. Okay, I see it. I see it. But what, down here though? Maybe 276 area. Yeah, I don't know, man. Blink is definitely at the top of the range. Yeah, down to 220. I can definitely see that down here. Where's this support you speak of? This guy? That's the way up there. Yeah, bro, I don't see no support right there, man. Oh, gap fill. to here or here. Okay. I got you. I'm not huge on the gap fill game, but I see what you mean. It's picking up. I hope I didn't talk you out of the trade. I don't do too many low floats. I know there's a lot of other variables that come into play that I don't really know of. But yeah, it definitely looks pretty bearish to me. Yeah, I'm saying. So what's your you getting in? You got in 318? Or what's your hypothesis on this bad boy? I got you. DTCK. All right, what time frame we looking at here? That's all I can look at. I see what you cooking on there, buddy. Thanks, Olu. Yeah, hit that like button for me. Two weeks from now, you waiting for it to get down to 95-ish? Or are you good where it's at now? Or all the way down here to like 80? Hadn't been down to 80 in a while. Yeah. That's what I was thinking. This probably, I would think that this is it. Yeah, man, $1.35. I like that price target too. Like a 5 or 10 cent stop on that thing. Or how do you manage the risk on these type of trades? Descending triangle. Yeah, I don't know, man. I just see Blink beneath a lot of resistance.
prayer and fasting for risk management.
5%. I definitely see what you're seeing on that one, Richard. On the daily. Okay, so you talking about this when it broke out from this? Okay, so you talking longer term? You talking like you talking swing trade? Okay. It's not terrible looking from that point of view. I can see what you're seeing. It broke out, retested the trend line, and then made a higher high after that. And now it's consolidating. I can see that, bro. Back over the 50 moving average. I can see that. Just have you, as long as you manage risk, and you got good reasons, and a system behind wanting to take the trade. Hey, man, you got to take the trades that meet your criteria for your trading plan. BLNK. I'm very curious to see how this thing plays out. Does it come down here and pick up Richard? Or are we heading up through $4? Find out next time. Man, this stock is being held up very well, though. That halt down didn't do nothing but trip a few stops. Through a higher low on top of that opening range. This level is very nice. AVRO. It's a trap. 5 years to be rich on Blink. Huh. What was that? I'm gonna argue with you on GTBP in the second HH. uh, hmm. Man, I don't know what to make of this thing. I don't know what to make of it. Huh. All right. Yeah, I mean, I really don't either, bro. Um, I don't know, man. This weekly candle doesn't look bad, but you got this whole consolidation right above where I would consider the breakout to be, which is like 140, 141 over the top of this weekly candle. And just kind of got all this trading in here, and then you got this high volume candle tapping right through the top of there. I don't know, man. It's got some work to do if it does go up. It's got a lot of I guess not really a lot of volume. These are million trade days. It looks like it's curling up, but I don't know, man. I can't say. It doesn't catch my eye. It looks like it's curling up from here, but that might be it. That might be it. But this thing moves very, I don't know. I don't know how to read this kind of price action, honestly. I'm more of a large capper. Michael, not playing. What's up, bro? How you been doing, man? I haven't seen you in a minute. $11.21. I think I'm gonna call it at 30. I don't know. Maybe this thing looks cleaner on a monthly. Okay, maybe on the monthly. Maybe on the monthly this thing looked like it could do something. That's what's up, man. Glad to hear it, man. It does look kind of interesting on the monthly, though. If I really, really just want to find something. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Especially over 170, it could really get funky. But yeah, I don't know. Sorry for bringing up old wounds there, HH. I was like that about Tesla for a long time, man. I bought before their last split they did. Oh man, I got crushed so bad. And right after I sold, it went up like monstrously. Went up to all-time highs. Almost straight up. On a monthly candle, it probably went straight up for months. I mean, a monthly chart. Yeah, I don't see much popping for the day. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it, you guys. It's been a pretty chill morning, man. Pretty quiet. I like my first two trades. Not as much on AMD, but I think my eyes were in the right place, uptrending over the opening range. Just a bit too aggressive on the move up versus the pullback. The pullback candles were pretty aggressive as well. But MU was a wonderful 3R trade. Played out beautifully. Didn't see any red on it, really. Yeah, that was nice. But yeah, that's it for today, you guys. Hit the like button. Got the recap video coming up, and we'll get back in tomorrow, man, and just do the same thing. Be patient. Looking for the good catalyst. I think I really like that. As far as building my watch list, the things that have real reasons to move. Yeah, that's a wrap though, y'all. Hope y'all have a great afternoon and evening. Be safe out here on the markets, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow, man. Peace. $2 for tuition. Yeah, man. Time for ramen noodle party. Yeah, I got a cold cut I'm about to eat, man, from the wifey. Y'all have a good one, man. Oh, hop in the Discord too, man. We still in there chatting it up. Fun weekend in there. Links in the description. Peace, y'all.